Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is my monthly Boxycharm unboxing, so let's just jump into it. Duh. So I will say I have looked in this box and I have used some of the products, so don't kill me, but I had an agreement with my best friend because we had both seen the ColourPop spoiler that if I got the Golden State of Mind, we would trade because I really wanted the Semi-Precious and I already have the Golden State of Mind, so I opened it up because we were going to see each other the night I got it, and I got the Golden State of Mind. So we traded because she got Semi-Precious. So we traded and I got the Semi-Precious palette. Like, I cannot believe a whole ColourPop palette was put in here, but the Golden State of Mind, I love that palette. A lot of people don't like it, but I really love it. It's pretty baller. So of course, she opened it and it was broken because everything that gets sent to me is broken, so I felt like crap, but she said she repressed it, so it was fine. So I got the variation with the Golden State of Mind in it. Keep that in mind, this is not a real variation of box. And you guys are gonna be like, that's cheating, you're doing an unboxing you already looked at and you traded your product, but that's what best friends are for, dude. It's for trading away stuff you already have. But this palette is like, I can't even believe how stunning it is. Like, can we just like take a moment to appreciate how freaking beautiful this is? Like, this is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. Next, I got the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brow something. I saw that some people got light. I got brown hair. I'm actually using it today. I really like it. But I would have liked a little bit lighter because this is a little bit too dark for brow, but my hair's always changing colors, so I mean, changing different colors of blonde. This is like a pretty decent product. Like, I am so hype about this Boxycharm. Like, the fact that I looked in it, like, sorry guys, but I had to make that trade. The next is a lip product. It is the Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. This is, I used it yesterday. I really like the color. It's like a very neutral brownie pink. However, it says it's a liquid lipstick. It has like a very lip glossy feeling formula and it never really dries down matte. But it is pretty long lasting and it looks like glossy and pretty on your lips. I can't really explain it, but it's definitely a really pretty color and I definitely want to use it more. I'm sorry I didn't do my end of review for the month of March. Subscription boxes. I just really didn't get a chance to use those products a lot, so I didn't want to be like, this was my favorite and least favorite when I really didn't test them out. So next is a Tarte highlighter. It is in the shade Exposed. Like, guys, like, so fucking cool, right? So this is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. And as I said, it's an Exposed. I will swatch it right here. Like, I've actually been wearing this. I think it is beautiful. So that's it right there. Let's just blend it in. Oh my god. I'm apparently not good at swatching. I'm terrible at this, but it's so pretty. Sorry for all the swatches on my hand. I have to restock my kit, so I went to Ulta today and was like literally swatching everything and I didn't wash my hands yet, so crucify me, okay? Crucify me. Last but not least, we got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. This, I know, is an expensive product and I'm super excited to try it. And if we are going through everything, guys, the Golden State of Mind palette was $26. I think that one is like $20, Semi-Precious. The Tarte Exposed Highlighter is $29. The Pores No More is $47. The High Definition Lip Gloss is $24. And the Brow Gal is $22. And it's like an Instant with microfibers. Like, this is like an amazing box. This is definitely why I signed up for Boxycharm. This is my favorite box, without a doubt. Love this. I definitely am going to use this. I have already been really enjoying this. This is just freaking stunning. I haven't tried this yet, so I'm looking forward to trying it. And this is actually like interesting. I'm gonna have to test it more, but the color is really pretty and I liked the way it looked on me. So it's like, you know what, Boxycharm, even though I should have gotten a lighter one of this, and I actually got a product I already wanted, but like a whole ColourPop palette? Are we for cereal? Are we for freaking cereal? Guys, definitely my favorite Boxycharm we've gotten so far. I am super hype on it, and definitely, I'm a freaking happy bitch. Guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye!